Welcome to Soole Garage. I have the body rolled under my body cart, and I'm gonna do it myself with an engine hoist attached to the front and a jack in the back. Once I get it up off the cart, I'll disassemble the cart, get the wood out of the way, and slowly lower it down. Need to get my body bushings in place, and should be ready to go. Okay, got the back end jacked up, and the weight is no longer on the 4x4 cart. Got my engine hoist attached to the firewall, and the weight is up. I'm gonna remove the posts and then slowly let it down. Okay, got the back end jacked up and taking the body cart apart. And then we'll go up front. Wished I had a bigger garage. And we're going to jack up the front. And pull this apart. Okay. My body is suspended. Now we gotta let it down and line it up. Let's down. Not that fast though. That was not very good. My jack is a piece of garbage. Let the back down a little bit. Alright, got all my body mounts in place, and I'm really close, but I'm not liking the jack operation. I don't want to bang. That looks pretty close. If you can see this body mount right here, we've got a body mount and we've got to line it up with that hole. And we're pretty close. Might have to move it over just a little. Let's get the back down. close. Wow, I think we're there. Nice. Just need to line up both holes and get it all bolted in place. Looks pretty good. Weights on the frame. Lined up. Do I look excited? I am. Okay, I'll work on getting some bolts in. Also inside, transmission lines up real nice. There's a metal tunnel cover that will weld over top of this, but I'm happy everything lined up. And we're ready to move forward, get everything hooked up, and get this thing to run. I just crawled under the car and checked all my clearance, made sure there was nothing touching the body as far as exhaust and drive shaft. And all of my mounts line up perfect. Usually you can take a long punch and stick it up in there and kind of line up your bolt before you tighten everything down, get everything aligned perfectly. But I'm excited to get this thing back down to ride height. Oh, there's Hazel and Lainey. Hi, girls. You coming down to help me? Yeah. Starting to get everything buttoned up and putting the front end back together soon. Fenders, inner fenders, core support radiator. So therefore I wanted to get the front of the engine kind of buttoned up, water pump, and all the pulleys and brackets. Got a power steering pump mounted, alternator mounted. It always surprises me how many small little details that it takes to get an engine put back together. For instance, right down there is where my oil pressure fitting and oil pressure sensor had to be put in. Should have done that earlier before I put the body back down. Dipstick, put in the starter, and fuel pump is mounted. Hoses are all ready to be connected, and all of my heater hose lines are ready to be run. And then I thought, well, let's look at the trunk before I put the gas tank in, which I did purchase a new gas tank. I knew the trunk was suspect of needing some repair. And isn't it amazing how some people hide issues with rust in the trunk, and so therefore they had some fiberglass just covering up little patches and rust holes rather than fixing them right. Just a little fiberglass patch and then painted over it. It's pretty disgusting, truthfully. My dilemma was, do I want to put the gas tank in and then take the gas tank back out and work on the trunk pan? Or should I just put the trunk pan in right now? I haven't decided yet. Thanks for watching.